Hi guys, today we talk about how can you change email on your Binance app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go up, you click here in this sign here in app. So then you come to this list here on your profile, you click in this sign here. So then you come to this list here, you click here on security here. Come to this list here, so you just switch into open video. Then all you have to do, you click here on email here. So then you come to this list here, then you click here in this sign. So in here you just click on continue here. Then it's going to take you to change your email to next step here. So just switch into open video. So it's going to so just switch into for email verification code added here. Then you click on some, then it's going to take you to change your email. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.